loves to play. C is for cat, so soft and sweet. D is for dog, with wagging feet. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for frog, hopping along. G is for goat, climbing so high. H is for hippo, splashing nearby. A to Z, let's sing and play. Animals are here to brighten your day. Big or small, from land to sea, come sing the alphabet with me. I is for iguana, green and cool. J is for jaguar, sleek as a jewel. K is for kangaroo, jumping so high. L is for lion, king of the sky. M is for monkey, swinging in trees. N is for narwhal, swimming with ease. O is for owl, hooting at night. P is for panda, cuddly and bright. Q is for quail with feathers so neat. R is for rabbit, quick on its feet. S is for snake, slithering away. T is for turtle, slow every day. U is for unicorn, magical and rare. V is for vulture, soaring through the air. W is for whale, big and blue. X is for x-ray, tetra, see through too. Y is for yak,